Growing a beard is a difficult task for most men. You require a lot of patience and dedication to keep your beard well nourished and groomed. If you do not keep your facial hair clean, there is a good chance that you might develop issues like split ends, dandruff, or itching. Using beard oil can provide your beard that extra care that it needs to feel healthy and nourished. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you the actual use of a beard oil and break the myth that beard oil is for your beard. What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra and I welcome you to my channel where I give you tips and insights on fashion, grooming and self-improvement. I hope you guys are healthy and safe at home during this pandemic. I would like you to please take a moment to hit the like button on this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get regular updates whenever I release a new video. And I always have a bonus tip for you guys as an incentive to watch my videos all the way to the end, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's get on with it. So before you started growing a beard, you used to apply your face cream all over your face, correct? But now that you've got a beard, you stop applying it to the area where your beard starts growing out. So who's taking care of this part then? Basically, when your beard starts growing, it'll start to strip off the natural oil of your skin surface below and make it dry. This is going to lead to beard dandruff, and that is the problem that most bearded men face during the initial days of their beard growing journey. Dead, dry skin leads to itching, and which eventually will lead to dandruff. Beard oils basically provide the moisturization for your skin surface underneath and helps prevent dandruff and itching. This is actually one of the main benefits of beard oils, which helps to keep the itching away. Beard oil will also help provide nourishment and hydration, two important factors that your beard needs to grow well. So I hope this makes the primary and the secondary fundamental of applying a beard oil clear to you guys. Now the next step is how do you apply beard oil onto your beard and the skin surface underneath. For a full beard like mine, take 6 to 8 drops of beard oil or serum in your palm and rub it gently across the skin surface underneath your beard, massaging it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Once the oil seeps into your skin, you can then straighten your beard and get on with your business. So I hope you found this video useful and now you know the actual reason for applying beard oil to your beard and the skin surface underneath. And the next time you're using a beard oil, you will use it for the right purpose and not just apply it on your beard and get on with your day. And now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, it's time to reward you with a bonus tip. So here it is. A good idea is to finish off your beard styling with a beard balm or a beard butter. The beard butter or the balm will help your beard get a fuller appearance, it will add volume and it helps provide pliability and hold to your beard to last through the day. Thanks a lot for watching this video guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below and you can also find me on my Instagram handle at badesra.r. You can DM me for any questions or comments that you have on my Instagram as well. I'll see you guys soon and always remember friends, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.